how to pause updates on Windows 10. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pause Windows 10 updates so your PC stops downloading or installing updates automatically. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply click on the Start menu, and now here, from the pop-up menu, simply click on Settings to open the settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply go ahead and there you can see the option labeled as Windows Update. So here, simply click on it, and now here, once you are inside the Windows Update, here you will see the option called Pause Updates for 7 days, or here you can simply see this option called pause updates. So here simply click on the downward arrow icon beside that option, and now here from the pop-up menu you can customize the time for you to pause the updates. So here as you can see, it have maximum extensions up to the 5 weeks. So here if I select this option, then it will pause the updates for 5 weeks, and that's it. That's how you can pause updates on Windows 10. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.